Hello, I'm James O'Neill, and I'll be your guide as we go back through time and uncover exciting surprises and a wealth of history that the Charles Hammond House has to show us during its renovation. Thank you for joining us for another segment of the Charles Hammond House.
We found the device that was used to lift the roof. The crank was told to be, or the pulley system, at least part of the pulley system, was told to be in the roof line. We found it a couple months ago, but as the roofers, the contractor was moving the siding here and the ceiling, they also found it and where it was resting. So we have it down now, but now we're able to put it back in the place where it was to give an idea of how to actually lift the wood from the ground to above us to create the roof line. And as you can see it there, still trying to get information to where they would have been positioned. But we can see that the handles that we used, I've already taken some pictures of the cradle that I was sitting in, which were other pieces of wood sitting on top of this 3x6 here. But to give you an idea, it's spun like that. Someone fully below and up top here, lifting wood, heavy pieces of wood, because this is all a hard pine wood. It's a very dense pine. But that's how the system works. And we see these cradles made out of other hard pine sitting on top of this wood in different places on the roof line to show where they moved this device. And there may have been others, we just have not found it, but we did find this one. It is a very hardy piece of wood because, again, these porches were put on a house in 1830. So someone used this as a tool in 1830, and probably a little bit before that, to lift this wood up. And I want to take it and show you how it looks. And again, fascinating.